how to check time spent watching YouTube videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can check your time spent watching YouTube videos. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred or your Google account. So once you land on your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're under your profile here, if you scroll all the way to the end, there is an option as time watched. All you have to do is tap on that option. Now that's gonna take you to this interface that is time watched, and here you can find all the details regarding the amount of time that you have spent watching the YouTube videos, as you can see on this graph. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.